Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kasie Oswald and I am filming this in my classroom. I just finished some classes for this evening. It is like 10 o'clock at night, but I've had this video on my mind for a while and I wanted to bring it to you. So tonight we're going to talk about scheduling in Zoom and YouTube, but bringing them together so that you can schedule them early enough and send your YouTube link out. So I want to get started right away, and there are some very important steps that you have to do before you can link them together. Now, normally you can be in Zoom and click more and then live to YouTube that way, but my husband figured out how we can schedule them ahead of time, which has helped tremendously to be able to get the word out. So without further ado, let's check out how we do it. Okay, we're here in my Zoom account. And I'm going to come over here and click My Account. This is very important to start here. Once you do these steps, you don't have to do this part again, unless something happens maybe and it gets erased. But you go down here to Settings. Now there is another way in. My husband found through User Management. You can go that way too. But I go to Settings, and then the next thing you need is actually in Meeting Advanced, but if you go to Email Notification and then scroll up just a little, it is right there. So just a little tip for you. Okay, here it is. Now, when we started, this was not blue. So you click it, it moves to blue, and then you click all 4 of these, or at least 3 of them. I don't use the Workplace by Facebook, but I've checked all 4, and then it'll ask you to save it, and then you push Save. Okay, so that is very important for you to have finished all of that before you can get started. Now, I'm going to come back in here and I'm going to schedule a meeting. Okay, let's see. Here are my meetings. I'm just going to show you my meetings now. So I already have a couple scheduled. Yes, you can see I've got Collaboration Station coming up on Monday the 20th and Meet Teacher Shannon Mabry. So I'm super excited to announce that just now. I'm going to schedule a new meeting. And, oh, this is one I haven't announced either. We have Evelyn, Joy, and the Brit Girls. For Evelyn Joy's birthday, we're going to have some fun and do some games, so you can come check that out. But for now, we're going to title this Evelyn Joy and the Brit Girls. Their name is actually Brit Girls. I guess I could write it. Go Stateside. Okay, you can add a description here. I'm not going to take the time to do that. It is scheduled for the 21st. No, it is scheduled for the 22nd. I'm sorry, Shannon is the 21st. The 22nd at 10:30 Central Time. 10:30 Central AM. Okay, and then I have it scheduled for an hour. That doesn't really matter. I'm just quickly scrolling all the way down and clicking Save. Now, once you save, you can see Start This Meeting. You come down here, copy the invitation. If you click on that, you can send it to whoever the participants are. But we're actually going to scroll all the way to the bottom for live streaming. Now, if you didn't do the steps that we did earlier, you probably won't see this, okay? This is what you have to do every time now. You're going to go to Configure Live Stream Settings. Okay, now we see the stream URL, stream key, live streaming page URL. All of this information is now going to be found in YouTube. So I'm going to come over here to YouTube. YouTube. And I'm going to go to my YouTube studio. Oh, speaking of the Brit Girls, they just came up right there. Let's see, YouTube studio. And I click on Go Live. Now there may be other ways that you can do some of this, but this is the way I do it. And then I'm going to click New Stream. Creating a title. Let's see. Evelyn and the Brit Girls Go Stateside. That kind of sounds like a band. Okay. Evelyn Joy. So that is their YouTube channel name. So if you want to check them out, I suggest you do. They're a lot of fun. Evelyn Joy has a lot of home videos and family. She's got 4 babies, well, 4 children. And Brit Girls Go Stateside have some hilarious challenges. They're a mother-daughter team, so check them out. Here's where you can add your description. Mine, I always have education because I'm a teacher. We're going to go here to schedule for later. Now, I'm going to put in the date. Here is the 22nd. And over here, I have found that if I'm in Google Chrome, I have this date here and I just ignore it. If I'm in Firefox, then I don't have the date. So maybe someone can tell me in the comment section why that happens, but I don't know. So this says PM, so we're going to head to AM. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. It is 10:30 a.m. on the 22nd. Upload custom thumbnail. I really wish I would have made one for you ahead of time, but you click here and then you can bring up your thumbnails, okay? I'm gonna have to add one later. And then we're going to create stream. Okay, everybody, here's where we're going to get all of that information. Can you see here at the bottom it says stream key? We're going to copy the stream key, just like that. Go back into our meeting information for Zoom, and the second one down says stream key. I'm going to copy and paste that right in. Then I'm going to go back in here to get the stream URL, which is right here. Copy, go back to Zoom, and copy. Okay, back over here to Zoom. No, I'm back in YouTube, and I'm going to go to, I need to go back to my, I'm going to go through my channel, but there's probably a quicker way to go to YouTube Studio. It's just a habit for me to go through my channel and click this button here. You're going to go to YouTube Studio and then click on Videos. Click on your live. And then you see here we have Evelyn Joy and the Brit Girls Go Stateside. I'm going to click on Details. Now the last thing you need to copy and paste is here, the video link. So I'm going to copy the video link, go back into Zoom, and enter a live streaming right there. Save. All right, so we've entered all of that information, and when I come back in here, I'll just need to start this meeting, and the next part will actually be a part 2 to this video. So the next part will be part 2 to this video because you do not go live the same way that we used to. So it used to be I'm in Zoom, I click on more, live to YouTube, and then it takes me through the steps to go to YouTube. It's not like that anymore now that we have this. So I'm going to have to do a part 2 on that. I will do that probably Monday when I'm going live. I have a live on Monday, yeah. So I will video it then. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what do you think about the video. Did it help you? Were there other tips and tricks I didn't think of? Are there anything else? Is there anything else that my husband can learn for us that needs to be shown on my YouTube channel? We'd love to hear from you. That is all I have. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you know when we go live or when I have another video come out. Thank you so much for your support. We hit 500 and be ready for a huge giveaway. Okay, it's going to be a road to 1,000, but the prizes are super awesome. My husband and I have been sitting down talking about them, And I'm just going to stop this video here before I say too much. So happy teaching, everybody. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope it was helpful. Goodbye.